Okay, Sensei Steve, we believe we've got a little bit closer to cracking directional sounds, the source of the energy, how it works and all the rest of it. It's not like described by some people, in and out, it's more left right. So if I go here and shove, that's hard work, but if I go and we get that going. Okay, so it's that way, so it's that hook punch or this, so it's that direction, not in and out. So if we now give a shove, E, so that's that way, to my right. So again, that'll be a hook punch or something going that way. It will enhance it. Forward and back. So we've done this a few times, so if you face me this way, give us a big stance and do this. We're going to give you a shove. Hold. Sends the energy that way. So you come forward a little bit, Steve. We're going to go backwards now. So what we got for backwards? Okay.
No.
Oh, it's an E. It's an E. Forgive me, the sounds are very similar. So it's not. Give us a big stance. Resist. A bit more. Resist. Oh. Okay. So this is more of an E sounding. As opposed to air with an A sound. So yeah, there we go. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Only took 25 years. Brilliant.